Hello all, I am Rajshekhar from Sunrise Institute of Education. Today onwards, I would like to start arithmetic and reasoning topics. Today, I would like to discuss some problems related to percentages. Okay, let us see first problem related to percentages. Okay, first of all, let us see a company turnover in 2017 is 50 lakhs rupees and 2018 is 60 lakhs rupees. Okay, then find out profit or loss turnover percentage from 2017 year to 2018. Here, first of all, we concentrate. Okay, it is profit or loss. Okay, first of all, let us see. Here in this 2017 turnover is 50 lakhs. Here in this 2018 60 lakhs rupees. That is nothing but increases the turnover amount from 2017 to 2018 is identified. That is nothing but here what is the formula is used. Okay, either profit or loss. Okay, what is the here formula? Formula here used is okay, either profit or loss. Profit or loss amount. Profit or loss amount divided by total amount. Okay, into 100. Why? Because always percentage is calculated to 100. That's why multiply it with into 100. Okay. Here, let us see. Here in this 2017, 50 lakhs. Here in this 2018, 60 lakhs. That is nothing but increases the turnover amount. How much? First of all, increases. Okay. Here, 60,000. 60 lakhs minus 50 lakhs. You got the total increased turnover profit. That is nothing but okay. 60 lakhs minus 50 lakhs. Okay. This is nothing but 10 lakhs rupees. Okay. That's why here profit is seen. Why? Because the turnover percentage from 2017 to 2018 is increases. How much amount of amount is increased? That is nothing but 10 lakhs rupees. That's why you should write here profit 10 lakhs rupees by total amount. Here you should take 50 lakhs rupees. Why? Because here initial turnover in 2017 is 50 lakhs rupees. That's why okay, you should write 50 lakhs rupees into 100. Okay. Here let us see how many zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Strike off these 6 zeros. Okay. Next. That is nothing but 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into 100. That is nothing but 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 0. 1 into 20 is nothing but 20. This is the percentage symbol, 20%. Why? Because we taken here only 50 lakhs instead of 60 lakhs. Why? Because here initial amount is 50 lakhs rupees. That's why the total amount, how much amount of profit we want to calculate, how much of amount of profit here. Okay, that's why here profit is 10 lakhs. How the profit came? By the subtraction of the turnover rupees 60 lakhs minus 50 lakhs. That's why that is nothing but 10 lakhs rupees. Total 10 lakhs rupees is increases from 2017 to 2018. That's why you should take first of all here write the 10 lakhs profit by initial amount with respect to 50 lakhs rupees. That is nothing but 10 lakhs by 50 lakhs into 100. Why? Because here 100 we taken means always percentage you should calculate with 100%. That's why total increased amount, that is nothing but profit. Here why? Because profit okay, 60 lakhs minus 50 lakhs. Here amount is increased. That's why always profit. Suppose for example here 50 lakhs to 40 lakhs, that is nothing but 40 lakhs minus 50, that is nothing but minus 10 lakhs. That is the loss. Okay. Here profit 10 lakhs by total amount. Why? Because we should calculate with respect to 50 lakhs. That is the initial turnover in 2017 year. How much here increased? That's why with respect to 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs is increased. That is nothing but 10 lakhs is increased. That is nothing but 10 lakhs by 50 lakhs into 100. 1 by 5 into 100. Okay, here 5 2 ja 5 zeros. That is nothing but 20% increases. Okay, this is the percentage problem. That is the first one. Okay, next is the second problem. A fruit seller had some apples. He sells 40% apples and still has 420 apples. Originally he had how many total apples? First of all, understand the problem. Okay, a fruit seller had some apples. Okay, he has some apples. Okay, he sells 40% apples. Okay, total he had how many percentage of apples? That is nothing but 100%. Okay, in this 100% he sold 40% apples, and then still he has how many apples? 420 apples. They want to find out originally he had how many total apples. Okay, generally a fruit seller had 100% apples. 100% apples. Okay, we don't know what is this number. Okay, in that he sells 40% apples. Okay, this 40% apples, and still he has 420 apples. That is nothing but he sold how much percentage? 40%. That is nothing but 100 minus 40%. 100% minus 40% is equals to 420 apples. Okay, understood? Okay, he sells 40% apples. Okay, while he sold out of these 40% apples, still he has how many apples? 420 apples. That is equals to 100% minus 40%. That is equals to 60% of apples is equals to 420. Okay, originally he had how many total apples? Originally had is nothing but they want to find out 100% apples. That's why 60% is equals to 420 apples, and 100% is equals to how much? 60% is equals to 420. 100% is equals to how much? Okay, we want to find out this. Let us take in this is as a x. Okay, cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplication here. 60 into x. 60 into x is equals to 100 into 420. 100 into 420. We want to calculate x. X is equals to 100 into 420 by 60. So 61 ja 60, 7 ja 420. That is nothing but 100 into 7. X is equals to 700. That is nothing but 100% is equals to how much? 100% is equal to 700 apples. This is the answer. 100% is equals to 700 apples. This is the second problem. Generally, okay, I tell you shortcut. 60% is equals to 420. 60 is equals to 420. 100 is equal to how much? Here 61 ja 67 ja. That is nothing but 1:7. 61 ja 67 ja. Here also 101 ja 107. That is nothing but 700 apples. That's why this is the answer is 700. This is the shortcut. Okay, 61 ja 67 ja. 100 is also take down as a 1. What is 7? 7 become 700. That is the answer is also 700. This is the theoretical information. This is the shortcut method. Okay, you can use any method. Let us see third problem. What percentage of numbers from 1 to 70 have 1 or 9 in the unit digit? Okay, understand the problem first of all. That is very, very important. What percentage of numbers from 1 to 70 have 1 or 9 in the unit digit? Okay, first of all, in the series of numbers 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on up to in this 70 series of numbers, okay, what they want to find out, okay, 1 or 9 have their unit digit, okay. Here in this unit digit, okay, only those numbers which have 1 or 9, okay. That is nothing but, first of all, you should find out what is the numbers in between 1 to 70 in unit digits, 1 to 9 having numbers. Okay, first of all, suppose for example 1, it is a number, it has only one digit in units digit also, it is also number 1. Okay, that's why 1. Next, suppose for example, next 9. 9 is also number, it has only one number in unit digits, it has 9 number. Next, after 10, it is not counted. 11, it is counted. Why? Because 11 here in this, this is unit digits, this is tens place, this is ones place or unit digits, this is tens place. Here in this unit digit, it has one number, it satisfied our rule. 1 or 9 having numbers, okay. 11, that is the 11 number. Next, after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, these are not considered. Why? Because here in this unit digit number, suppose for example 12, 13, 14, 15, this has unit 30, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why it is not considered. That's why next 11, this is considered. Why? Because here in this unit digits it has 9 number. It satisfied our required condition. Next 21. 21 is also having 1 in unit digits. Next, after 21, 29. Likewise, you should write up to 70 numbers. Okay. 31. 31 is also having unit digits 1. Next, after 39. Next, after 41. Next, 49. Likewise, you should write 51. Then 59. Next, 61. Then 69. 70 is the number. 70 is the number. It has 0 in unit digits. Okay. That's why. Okay. Let us check them. The given condition is satisfied or not. Okay. What is the percentage of numbers from 1 to 70? 1 to 70 have 1 or 9 in the unit digit. 1 or 9 in the unit digit. Here in this one number, it has only one digit. The unit digits is having 1. It is satisfied. 9 is also having only one digit number. It is also satisfied. Unit digit in 9. Next then 11. 10 is not considered. Why? Because suppose for example 10 you should write. Check them. Here in this units place 0 is there. Not satisfied. 1 is not there. 9 is also not there. 11 then 11 is also satisfied. Next. Next 12. Here in this units place 2 is there. That's why not satisfied. Then 21. Next 29, 31, 39, 41, 49, 51, 59, 61, 69. Let us count them. How many numbers? Total. Total how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Here you want to find out how many numbers not. Okay, not how many numbers. What is the percentage of numbers from 1 to 70 have 1 or 9 in the unit digits. Here first of all we identified how many numbers, that is 14 numbers. 14 by total how many numbers? 70 numbers. That is nothing but 70. 14 by 70 into, always percentage you should calculate it to 100. That's why you should take as a 100. Okay. Of number, what you should find out, that is taken in numerator. Okay. In how many numbers? Total how many numbers? 1 to 70. That is nothing but total. That is nothing but 70 numbers. That's why what you want to find out, you taken in numerator. In total how many? That is nothing but 70. That is taken in denominator into 100. 14 1 ja, 14 5 ja. Okay. Next 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 0 ja. 1 into 20 is nothing but 20%. Okay. That is our answer. Okay. That's why this is the calculation method.